Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 14 to be specific, y'all. Can y'all believe it's 12 more days into Christmas? So I thought about it. I'm like, it's time to go ahead and put those Christmas gifts up under the tree. So first, I'm actually going to show y'all my outfit. And I know you probably thinking like, why she got on shorts and a hoodie? But I'm in the house, it's in the morning, and I decided to start filming at 6 in the morning. So it took me everything in this world to go ahead and pick up my boys. And yeah, I'm kind of liking my outfit. My shorts are a little big, but I kind of wanted them this way. That's just my preference. And we're going to go over here to this calendar, y'all. 12 more days into Christmas. This is the reason why I said, let me go ahead and start getting these gifts together. And just like I said before, I have to make the census bags. And the only thing I do not have is I have not done the treats bag, the taste bag, but I have everything else, and I'm still waiting on their purses and one pair of shoes for Aubrey. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get that on started, y'all. I just prefer to go ahead and start it. All right, y'all. So y'all know I'm not arts and craftsy, but I'm gonna do this to the best of my ability. Now, remember I went to Party City and I got some of these bags, and I do remember I needed one for my husband's gifts, which I may just go ahead and put it on the tree, and he told me he needed a bag for my stuff. So I said, okay, cool. And like I said before I sat down, I was like, I'm not doing their taste bag. Although I do have the little smaller bag that I'm going to do for their taste bags, which is right here. I'm not going to do it. And I don't remember finding them in blue, and I did not want to get one girl all blue and one girl all white. So I said I'm going to do, you know, they're gonna get blue and white mixed, and I'm just gonna have to remember which side. I'm gonna try to put Aubrey to the left and Kaylin to the right, and just remember that, so when Christmas morning I can tell them like, yours is to the right, yours is to the left. It just keep it that way. So I'm not arts and crafts, I'm not really good at that, but I do have these letters. They are glittered. I got these on Amazon, and I'm gonna, you know, just write out all the 5 senses. I'm gonna try to line them up as perfect as I can, but I'm not gonna stress myself out. I got this white paper, tissue paper, of course, for the blue bag. Then I also got some silver tissue paper and some blue. I plan on with the white bag just to kind of like make it pop. They have like blue, the blue and white, or blue and silver in it, and the blue basket is gonna have like white and silver in there. So I hope I said that right. It's kind of early in the morning and I'm a little bit tired, but we're gonna get this together. And I might have to like I had to take Aubrey to school, so I'm gonna of course change my clothes because it's too cold to be going outside in some shorts. So I'm probably gonna come back home, and yeah, so I'll come back home before my nail appointment. I'll come back home and I'll come back home and I'll try to like get the little gifts in, because I doubt that I'll be able to get this all in once. I'm gonna try before it's time to get them up for school. All right. Okay, y'all, so like I said it before, it is so close to Christmas, so that means it's time to start getting these gifts under the tree. So I began with organizing the gift bags for 2 preteen girls before adding the sticker letters. These are the 5 senses gift bags. And let me just say up front, I'm not artsy or crafty, so this has been a bit of a learning process. I started with the taste bags using 2 small white gift bags, but partway through, I realized I needed those smaller bags for the hair bags instead. So I had to peel off the letters and switch things around. Mistakes were definitely made. Eventually, I got it sorted out and added taste to the large white bags. I thought about starting over with new bags, but honestly, money doesn't grow on trees. It was easier to peel the letters off and reuse the same bags. Once I finished, I actually liked how the silver letters looked on the white bags, better than I expected. I wanted to use light blue bags originally, but I couldn't find matching light and royal blue bags. So I settled for royal blue and white instead, solid colors so that they match my aesthetics. Next, I grabbed the small white bags and added hair to them. This part went smoothly, thankfully. Then I moved on to the larger royal blue bags and added the word smell. At this point, I was so grateful to have so many sticker letters to work with because I really didn't want to run out. I tried to move faster here because I felt like I was going too slow while filming. I couldn't wait to fill the bags up, but I knew I had to finish the letters first. After finishing the smell bags, I worked on the touch bags, but for some reason, that part of the recording didn't save, so you just have to imagine me adding touch to the larger blue bags. And it was so funny because I started spelling it T-O-C, and I was like, wait a minute, where's the U? It was so funny. I really wanted to add that in there, so I'm kind of mad that it didn't save because I really made such a big typo or just misspelling because it was so early in the morning. Anywho, finally, after all the words were done, and I was so excited to start filling the bags. But I just knew that I know the girls are gonna love this, y'all. So just alright, y'all, I'm all over the place and I was just thinking like which one do I start with? So I'm gonna start with my husband's stuff first because at least the game is right here and it'll just kinda help me. And I'm kind of determined. I'm like, should I do a voiceover or what? I just feel like it's gonna be like a lot of noise and it's just probably would look better if I just kind of speed the process up and just kind of talk over it, y'all. So stay with me. iPad case, y'all, I'm so mad that PlayStation did not fit in a bag. And then their touch bags, it was gonna include like sneakers and that mannequin has. Remember, obviously got another pair of sneakers that's gonna be here when I order next week. So I'm gonna have to get an additional bag for her, and I wanted to put touch on the other because I had them use our bags that I was gonna use for us. But I ran out of teas. I'm like, dang, I used that many teas? But I guess I did. So I ran out of teas and I'm just like, I'm just gonna push that to the back and we're gonna get another bag for Arbery shoes. And because it's also supposed to include their Teflon bags, I'm probably gonna get 2 extra bags for their touch. And I'm just gonna kind of put that in the back so they just know like that's for them. Their touch, that includes, and I just put the ones that's not labeled near the back. I'm gonna get a bigger bag for my husband and a bigger bag for me, a gift bag for the stuff, because I don't know what else he's getting. Aubrey also has another case that will be here on, I guess, this weekend, and I just slide that in there. And yeah, so just watch me finish this. I still got to work on their taste bags. And Aubrey got shoes, and they also have Tesla bags coming. And I have our stuff to put up. I try to do the best I can, y'all. It's not the best. Like, I don't sell bags or anything, but it's better than nothing. I'm proud of myself. I probably didn't do the tissue paper as pretty as like you RC crafting people. Y'all are blessed, okay? Because I am not gifted with that. But let's get into it, y'all. They got some stuff, okay? All right. I should have made my bags just a little bit bigger on some of them, but that's the biggest that Party City had in that color. So I'm trying to go ahead and find, I don't care if it's Santa or anything. It could be plain. It could have colors. As long as it's my colors, that's all that matters for the rest of the bags. I'm not going to be picky, and I'm probably not going to put that baby stuff in any type of bag. So I just put his stuff out the night before with his bike. Okay, y'all. Ooh, I just put his stuff out, but so far I am loving it. Y'all, I am so hungry, okay? It's time to eat some breakfast and change clothes to take Aubrey to school and then get ready for my nail appointment. But as always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment down below, and just keep watching for Vlogmas Day 15.